Hello everyone, welcome back to another video about easy and free ways to make money online. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make thousands of dollars just by following Instagram accounts. The first app I will be showing you is not the main website to earn high, so stay to the end of this video and pay close attention. And this is Money.do YouTube channel where I teach you easy and free ways to make money online. If you are new to the channel, please click the red subscriber button so you will not miss any of my new videos about easy and free ways to make money online. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. So the app we are going to be using first is Instagram. Don't worry, you will not be selling anything on Instagram and you will not be doing affiliate marketing. You are not going to be messaging anybody. All you need to do is sign up to Instagram, start following other people and then collecting your earnings from this website which I'm going to share with you in this video. Now I will explain to you step-by-step method how to do this. This video will be divided into 7 steps. Starting with step number 1. Create a new Instagram account, and don't worry, you will not have to promote anything on your account or sell anything on your account. You can just install Instagram app on your smartphone or computer. Once you install the app, just sign up. It's easy and it's free. So that was the first step. Just go to Instagram and sign up for free. Step number 2. Now you just need to pick any niche. Just pick any niche you like for this video. I will be using the nature photography niche. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. Since we are not promoting anything, once you think of some niche, just change your username to something that goes with it. So that was step number 2. Step number 1, just sign up to Instagram. Step number 2, choose your niche. Step number 3 is to search for your niche on Instagram. If you are in business news, search for business or making money. In my case, I will be searching for nature, and that will give me millions of different posts. So you can see all of these posts are about nature, are so lovely. Step number 4, now download a couple of these posts. So pick something you like. Copy the URL, then go to downloadgram.com or use any smartphone app you like. Paste that post URL here and download it to your computer or your smartphone. Repeat this method until you have like 20 to 30 different posts on your phone. So you can find something you like based on your niche. You copy its URL, download it using Downloadgram, go to Instagram, download like 20 to 30 posts, and if you like, you can just go to pixabay.com and download some free reality free stock footage. Before we continue to step number 5, don't forget to drop a like to this video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's continue. Step number 5, just re-upload those pictures on your page, and I think all of you guys know how to do that. Just click on to give credit to the owner you downloaded the picture from, so you won't have any issue. So just credit them in your description of the post. But if you download image from Pixabay, you don't need to credit them in your post. Make sure to do so. So post all of that 20 to 30 posts. Make sure you post at least 15 of the posts you downloaded. The more posts, the better. Credit the owner. You can say like, this photo was taken by, and then mention the page as soon as you completed the step. As soon as you completed the step number 5, we will continue to step number 6. Step number 6, once you have all of those posts up on your page, all you need to do is to search for your niche once again and find some page similar to your page. For example, some page that's once again similar to your page. For example, use this one. You will just go to their follower and you want to start following each and every person that follow them, and you will see why and how that will make you money. It's that other website which I'm going to show you in a minute. And let me just show you one more thing. I currently have 0 followers and I am following 0 people on this page. Now I will start following hundreds of people that are interested in the niche, and eventually some of them will follow back, since we are very similar to the page they are following. And by doing that, I will gain real followers on my page. When these people see page is similar to the ones they are already following, then they will be more likely to follow you back. Okay, so 1 hour passed. I checked the following. I clicked the follow button for hundreds of times, and now I have some nice amount of followers. And I recommend you do this until you have at least like 2,000 to 3,000 followers. As you can see, it's pretty easy, and it requires no knowledge. Just follow bunch of people and they should follow you back. So that's step number 6. Let me show you the final step and the external website where you can make money once you have enough followers. So this final step is in this website that we've talked about since the beginning of this video, and the website will actually make you money is called socialtrader.com. Socialtrader.com, this is the Instagram account marketplace where you can buy and sell Instagram accounts. And here you can see people selling their account at a very different rate, but the average price for like a few thousand followers account is around $100. Of course, you have different prices and different amounts of followers, but that's the average number of 2,000 followers, and it can take you just a few hours to build this type of account. And by doing so, you can sell one account every day and make at least $100 a day just with your phone. And if you have even more time, build multiple of those accounts every day and make hundreds of dollars per day. You saw that it is very easy if you follow these steps from this tutorial. Just create an account, repost some pictures so people would have interest in following you back. Start following people from your niche and follow similar page, and sell your account on Social Trader. This can be done by anyone from anywhere in the world. It's all free, no investment is needed. Now, how do you sell your account here? Well, you simply come over to this home page, you click here where it says sell. So it's simple. You can enter your account username, so you can just copy and paste account username, select the category, and there is some basic stuff about your page, like how many followers it has, how many likes you get per post, and how many views it is, etc. And then just select your payment option. How would you like to collect your profit? And that's it. This is the easiest way to make money online so far on this channel. You need no website, you need no money to invest, you need no experience. All you need to do is to follow the steps and take the action. So this will be the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.